So nearly there. Jurassic.
So we're in Devon here, look. Brings us back to the old days. Got a herd of cows in front of us. Yeah, well, this place ain't full of steers and quiz.
Is that steers and quiz?
Hey. Yeah, we're on time. I'll meet the little buggers.
That's cowbells.
Yeah. Expect it.
And there's Jurassic Mountain.
Yeah.
Just up there.
Yeah, we're literally outside the gate. Oh, there we go. You alright? Come on!
Up and up. Hello.
Just keep it moving. But we've just gone past the entrance. Lovely.
Oh, nearly there.
Oh, nice bit of farm life.
Yeah, country life.
400 metres. Jurassic Mountain Fishing Park. There it is.
Turn right. Then you will arrive.
Stop there.
Well, this is part 3 of the Thailand road trip for me, part 2 for Dan. I've done Palm Tree at Lex and now Jurassic Mountain in Chatham. We've just been travelling for about 3.5 hours, maybe a bit longer. We had a Texas chicken. That was a new experience for me, and not for Dansak. He's had pretty much every fast food outlet. I think he owns some of them, certainly got shares in Thailand. And the UK actually, and America and Japan and pretty much the whole of Southeast Asia, Australasia and Papua New Guinea, I believe. But yeah, we're at Jurassic Mountain. Beautiful, beautiful setting. Sun's just setting. Hopefully the boys are here. That we're fishing with 12 anglers tomorrow. Graham Wall, ICW and Charles Watson, Warren Turner, Rob Manning, who caught the big Siamese at Palm Tree the other day. It'd be lovely to have a chat with him, and a few other lads. Probably just forgot someone, doesn't matter. We are here and we are ready to rock, That's a 2-day trip. Day 1 tomorrow. Let's just keep it real tonight, shall we, Dansak?
Yes.
I'm on the water.
Quite snapshot, yeah?
Oh no, I think that was probably Michael Caine in the Italian job.
Italian job, yeah.
What time's the draw tomorrow then?
More than likely.
6:30.
6:30 to draw.
No, 6:45, but most people
6:45 is a draw,
6:30.
but best to get here for 6:30 for beer.
Dan was like, I was going to set the alarm for 9. I'm livid.
Is this going on?
Well, he'd turn up at 1 o'clock and fucking empty the lake.
Possibly. Let's go. Probably.
Probably.
Day 1, Saturday.
Tom's just throwing some bits of toast. You bastard. What was that? That didn't. Harry's. Well, didn't sound like one. What? God, look at that. Oh, he's swirling under it. Oh shit, I forgot you was there. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, but it
does get spread around.
Winding him up. It's easy to wind up. He's even easier to roll around. Oh, he's going to love that. He right on his head. Oh, cool, that was lovely. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Yeah. I actually seen you photographing a fish just now. We're pretty much opposite you, mate, I think. Almost. So, you know, keep the noise down. Day 1 at Jurassic. We're in the water. We're in swim number 1. Me and Dansak. I think it's 12 anglers. It's pretty busy. Probably be a quietish day with so many anglers being on the lake, but it's more of a social one, which occurred last night. You can probably tell by the red eye. I don't know what happened there. Must have slept with something in it. Got the carp rods out here in the reflection of the this palm tree here. Predator rods. Down over here, we've just seen Arapaima rolling. Tom was feeding toast to him just now. There's one just come up just there. Booty. Yeah, got a couple of predator rods down to the right. Carp rods over there. Ben, ICW's opposite us there. You probably see the yellow shirt and a great big wide brim hat, and his boy there, Ben, is playing a fish at the moment. He had a red tail earlier on, and he's playing one now. Might be another red tail because he's got a predator rod out. Had our fry up, which went down a treat. Yeah, we're settling into the day. We're a little bit late, and everywhere's a mess at the moment. But we're having a go. We're having a go. Let's see what happens. Messing about. The palm tree there, trying to cut the floats either side of it a punch. This time I got a big wee bass stopper. They're brilliant, these sort of jelly stoppers for wee bass. They survive a lot better than the smaller versions, especially on sort of 80-100 pound braids. After a while, these going up and down the line a few times, they sort of the abrasion rubs them off. But the wee bass stoppers are fantastic. That was, they're slightly transparent, a bit like down. I put that stopper on because if I use a pellet which has got a hole drilled in through it, then I can actually trap the pellet in place rather than worrying about it falling up and down the hair. And I've bought some of these off Lazada, almost like floats, little tiny balls with almost polyurethane balls with holes drilled through them, so they can go on the hair. Hopefully that'll give it a little bit of buoyancy. Graham Wall, who's fishing here today, he's had a lot of fish on the bigger baits on the bottom. I think catch less fish, hopefully catch bigger fish, I think is the order of the day. Dan just had a fish come off on the predator rod, cast down to the right hand side, which was you know, hopeful, encouraging, I should say. And we're in swim one. Never fished it before. We fished two before actually, and I actually had an Arapaima right under our feet here that day. I tracked it down, yeah, down here. So yeah, we're having a lovely little day. It's a social vibe, and yeah.
Been fishing about an hour and a half. I've had one take on the predator rod, which come off, which I suspect could have been a gar. Weren't very big. Knocky sort of lunges. Yeah. Having a water.
We've baited an area out in the reflection of the lone coconut tree there. We've put quite a few boilies in, probably a kilo of boilie in, thrown them in by hand, put in about half a bag of pellets, and we're moulding a bit of ground bait around the feeders with I've got a boilie on mine with a little pop-up, a little bit of foam on it. What's on yours?
Just a wafter.
Wafter,
small,
yeah. Little dumbbell.
Yeah, not very, it's only sort of...
The juice, isn't it?
They're called
yeah.
the juice,
Ooh,
yeah.
Yeah, juicy, yeah. So yeah, we're not expecting mental amount of bites on the bottom, which I don't think you get here. If you do want to get your bites, I think you go up in the water here. But hopefully we'll get a few bites and maybe some 70 pound plus Siamese carp. Be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
or even
right,
Peter Gale, who I met last night, he's from Tiverton, a local lad to me. We were talking about the Tiverton Canal. He's on a ripsaw catfish and I think a red tail this morning, lost an Arapaima. He wandered past and had a chat with us just now. Lovely to meet someone from Tiverton that's not got 6 toes. Actually, I never looked at it.
Yeah, he had shoes on.
But that was lovely to have a chat with him last night, and yeah, we had a few beers in the bar. We met Mark, the new owner of JURASSIC here, cracking bloke.
Bought us a beer, didn't he?
Hey? Bought us a beer, yeah. I tried to buy him one back, but he didn't hear me. Or I didn't say it very loud. I didn't say it at all. No, I did. But, yeah, Tom's sorting us out this morning. I better answer my phone.
Right, that might be Warren. Harvey's in. First fish.
Blow the whistle, mate.
Yep, I'm gonna go blow the whistle. Back in a sec. Big fish. Round away there, mate. All right.
Yeah, I was just trying to keep it away. I'm not sure. He's going along there now. Very strange. It feels like a red tail. Let's tell
Yeah.
you bona fide.
Red tail.
Yeah.
Lazy red tail, you saying?
Yeah. Lazy.
Right.
It's gone off.
Ah, shit. No way. Shit, mate.
Never mind. Tell you red tail.
All right.
Sorry.
Excitement.
Possibly. Hook's turned around in the fish a bit there, look.
Okay,
Could have masked the point. Sorry. There you can see, look, on the very tip of the hook there's a tiny little, just going to get the sharpener on that. Get the stone, sharpening stone on it. Probably just blunted a little bit on the fish's pads or mouth. Always worth running your finger. I know it sounds obvious, but there's little things you should always do. Carry a little stone.
Ian's just hooked up over there. Looks like he's fishing round to his right hand side. Here we are, we're in peg one.
Hey?
We're in peg one. I think we picked one out of the draw bag today, didn't we? Well, I didn't, because I wasn't here, I was still in bed. But Harvey did. There's the clubhouse there, come round. We're in one. I'm not sure what Ian's peg is there, but he's in the one opposite, and there's a fella next door to us. We've got 12 anglers on today, so it's quite a lot of anglers on, but not a lot of pressure up this end of the lake. So we've had a few liners on the carp rods and no takes yet. Well, sort of a line bite. They're open. The fish are going to come up to less pressured water. Maybe we'll look up.
Wrapped a bit of ground bait around me lead. Fish on there, I usually cut it in half, but it's going to give me a bit more casting, mate. See if I can get it down to that bed of hyacinths. Sure, I just held on to it a bit with my finger. Probably about 8 meters off. Something else there. They say it's good to set the rod so the bail arm's at the top, so everything's dead straight, and then the handle is from anywhere straight up or back. If I've seen a few people lately, including Dansak, setting the rod like that, and then the handle can fall forward if you get a jolt, and the bait runner engages and the rod goes in. So just make sure that the handle is somewhere. I like to have it somewhere like that, so it's nice and easy to grab. That's straight along the rod, and that is somewhere where you can grab it straight away when you get to it. All set. First chance. We both lost one now. Rubbish. I just had a bit of wheel spin. That's Arapaima, mate. I think. I'll get my rod out. Better. Lovely, thank you, cheers. Yeah, looks like Dansak's in the corner. Might be an Arapaima that sleeps in there. It's not asleep now.
Got a decent fish.
Keep an eye out, and I reckon you'll see him come up for a breath in a minute. Yeah, nice and steady. Nice and steady. And a mountain there. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Yeah, 100%, yeah. Red tails are like a wobble on the line because they're short bodied. The big jolts and the long bodied fish like the black carp I had at Lex the other day, they give a really horrible heart-stopping lunge and jolts on the rod, and you can tell it's a long-bodied fish. Pacu are the same, like short-bodied fish, and it's a big Siamese as well. They give big jolts. The only anomaly to that is the Mekong. They have got a long body, but they've just got a very steady wobble on them.
They can't really pivot their bodies, can they?
No.
Like
Just the tail moves, which is quite a short movement, I suppose. The fish just blew some bubbles there.
Coming in.
Yeah, well,
lucky getting first time.
nah,
So,
he'll have a second wind. They do this. You think, oh, but they'll go again in a minute, I reckon. Got a feeling. Just be ready for it. Clutch is right. Clutch is set reason because he might kick and. Get a bit of video from in here. Yeah.
They come out yesterday.
Aries. Oh. It's a good fish, that. Nice fish. It's off again. Just out of breath and away again. You think they're gone and beaten? You go again. Hey, Dad. Here he is. He's there, isn't he? Yes, well done. Well done, mate. Yeah. Lovely fish. Yeah. Fish. Beautiful fish. 150, 160 pound, I reckon. Yeah, I'll get a film of it now, just in case something happens.
Okay, I don't want to head. Fucking shit scared about it.
And so you should be. Oh, yes, that's gonna settle his nerves. Look, yeah, 150 pound, isn't he? Yeah.
Just let him get a grip on it. Cage by that, Nick Biola. Or got my pump, Nick Noida. Bang.
Very dangerous fish. Arapaima. Yeah.
Last 4 out of 5.
What that is then?
Water temperatures, you get a bit rowdy.
Right, warming up a bit.
It's weird, they go through phases, mate. You almost see them purring up, but
Yeah.
they don't spot them, but you see them going round in 2s and 3s and they get really feisty.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have individual ones, the odd one is always known for it.
Yeah.
You get a lot of them.
Yeah, I had one called Big Dave and Shirley. They would always go around together, and you think, are they going to actually spawn?
Just like that.
There we go, we got it on film. You can't do much about it, can you? What's that?
Sky looks awesome.
Lovely, isn't it? Lovely cloud formation behind you. Cumuli nimbi. Tunes on the radio, sun on his back. The yellow-shirted warrior has just had an Arapaima. I lost a fish that was all juddery. Might have been a tarpon or something quite small on the predator rod. Just came off after having a red tail come off this morning. I I'd probably angle him to the right there, Dan, because your rods are on the left. That's it. Just straight up, I reckon. Now don't worry about it's not an Arapaima, so you haven't got to worry about the rod being low. That's it. Keep him over there on the right.
Not particularly big.
No, I reckon it's a £30 red tail, as me guess. There you go. He's back under the rod now after a powerful run. The good old faithful red tail catfish.
Superb, mate.
Well done, mate.
Awesome, cheers, mate.
Lovely stuff.
Try those glasses on. The colour of the sky. They're Polaroid there.
Oh yeah, it's nice,
Awesome,
isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it really, you can actually
Yeah.
feel the protection on,
Yeah.
on your eyes. Oh, where are my glasses? I'm looking back in the thing.
Oh, you ain't going this way. Oh, you right there. Settle down. Calm down.
How you getting on, mate?
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah. You driving?
You down.
Yes.
There we go. Lovely fish. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's a nice photo. Yeah, looks like you're throwing a dart. Just down with the fish a little bit, mate. You come up and then that's it, back there.
$12.30 in the Arvo. Harvey's just spotted the line flickering away and he's hit it. There's some food going up there. It smells very nice, that does.
There's a lake here. Strange.
What do you reckon?
Oh no, it feels like a red tail the way it's wobbling. But
Yeah.
where he's swimming is a bit unusual.
Can we get the rods in?
It's alright at the minute. Let's see what happens. I think he's going to go over the top of the cat rod. He's about as...
Lovely, lovely day. Hardly a cloud in the sky. Oh. Just Rose, whatever he is.
Yeah.
Wasn't taking a breath, was it?
No. No, it's not Harry. It's a red tail, but he's lost.
He's coming up, he's kiting round. Let me know, I'll get that rod up. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's funny old fight, isn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be nice if something different come up.
I don't think it's good, eh?
Yeah, just swirling there. It's in a red tail, yeah. The customary gives it away. Yeah. There he is.
Shut that net in, mate. I don't know if...
Nearly done.
Nearly done.
Here he comes, about the same size as the one I had, I reckon.
Yeah,
About
a little
£30. Nice one. Well,
That's a mate.
Nice.
Superb.
Long fish, isn't he?
Yeah, £35.
Yeah.
He was about 32, wasn't he? Why, mate? Lovely. Go on in.
Beautiful.
Bit of sport.
Well done.
Have a little sit down. Oh, it's lovely in here. Lovely and cool, and it gives you a chance to have a little wee.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Beautiful.
Lovely, yeah. Very nice today.
Oh, what's that down there?
What?
Oh, hang on. What is that?
What fish?
Oh, it's that.
Food's just arrived. Got a tom yum guy, chicken tom yum soup. Quite a healthy option. Give that a go. Nice.
A few tunes on, middle of the afternoon. Just managed to dribble some tom yum juice and pellets. I'm drying them out. Me billet towel. And Dan's having a little lie down look. Looks like last night's taking effect.
Can't put your winks.
Maybe if you just sit down. A bit of a scratch. Motivated. Just making up a little pellet waggler rig and gonna try fishing a pellet waggler in the reflection of the lonely coconut tree there where we're fishing on the bottom.
Yeah.
Try and catch something different. Maybe Tom said he often get a big tambaki or a pacu or something if we fish it properly, more like match style fishing. Pack tappy maybe. Mountain. I can move any mountain.
Under the hyacinth.
Had a red tail, lost one, took it on a drop. And this is a bit of a bite out of the blue actually. When the noise was going I thought, what is that noise? I sort of recognise it. It's like, oh, it's an alarm for fishing to tell you that you've got a fish.
Decent on this one.
Yeah, solid. There's Dave. He organises the expat days down here at Jurassic at the moment, and there's Dan's red tail. Well done, mate.
Nice one.
Superb. Brilliant stuff. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Just £24. Hey, he's gone. Yeah. He's good with the fish. They yeah. There he is. Mountain in the background.
Fish, mate.
Lovely stuff, mate. Well done. Red tail Gindee, one E. Red tails are on the munch. Just started fishing the pellet waggler over where we were fishing the bottom rods. Just had a bite and a big swirl and fish that I didn't hook. Scared off. And then Dan's alarm went. Red tail vibes. Yeah, lovely stuff.
Cheers, mate.
Lovely. Another one. Lovely stuff. There she is. Cracking fish, mate.
Nice.
Lovely. Let's see if I can take a still shot. How do I do it? Touch back.
Harvey's in on a pellet waggler.
That was exciting, wasn't it?
Nice.
Dan was feeding around me float very accurately. And had a couple of swirls before. It's gone.
Get the bloody whistle, mate.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Siamese.
Nice.
Like a Siamese.
10, 15 minutes, I reckon you've had this on?
Yeah.
There it is.
Like a haw. Yeah, little cheeky one, isn't it? Red tail surface where
Yeah.
we thought this fish was, and fooled us. During the fight, I thought that's got to be a Siamese.
Beautiful.
There you go.
In the net, mate. Nice.
Ooh, that was nice on the pellet wagon.
Yeah.
I'll feed for you now, mate, and we'll share
Yeah,
'em.
see if we can get another one.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
probably better that way.
Yeah, because then you've got two hands on the rod then.
Yeah, and it's less going on.
Yeah.
Lovely
Oh,
to
you gotta-
strike it.
He's got a part on the predator rod now. Oh, it's all action here tonight. You good? Red tail?
I think so. It just surfaced over there. Ooh. Oh no. Bit like the Arapaima actually. Arapaima. Big. Let that one go.
I'll get a picture of him. Unless you want me to take the rod for a sec while you have a picture of that and then take the rod back.
That sounds terrible. Any babnung damo? Yeah.
It's a nice problem to have. Come on after it, but up. Got any battery in here? He's playing the Leviathan deep. Give me a reason to carry me. Wanna be one. Coming towards the net. And a stellar job so far. Try and get him, so scoop him up in the cage. He's complying so far. Oh, he's nearly there. He's half in, half out, mate, at the moment. He's gonna go. He's going back out, I think. Difficult on his own as well, isn't it? He's milling around, isn't he? It's difficult. He's in there. He's in. No, he's not. Fuck. Oh. That must have been a bit hair raising there.
No,
Should imagine.
I get nervous, Arapaima.
Go on, mate. Yes, nearly there. Oh!
There we go, thank
Nice
you.
one. Well done, Harvey.
Oh,
Fun, mate.
the old Harry. Harry the first.
2 fish waiting to be photographed and filmed.
Nice, mate.
Nice, I've got a big camera.
You want it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, if you're right.
Sure. No. Okay.
Steady, steady.
Nice.
Tail straight back. Maybe that. Maybe. Binary.
Nice, mate. How big?
Try and come this way.
20, 130.
Steady. Hold it.
Oh.
It's alright.
That wasn't big.
Hang.
Oh, cool.
Right. Do you want to keep walking to me, John? Come forward. We're going to change this angle. Keep going. Okay. Tail map on. Head up a tiny bit there, not a lot. Look at the wrinkles on it, all those little...
Beautiful, isn't it? The little snout things he's got, look.
Yeah. All for sensing the movement of the fish, I would have thought.
Yeah.
Like a pike has the holes under the chin.
Okay, do that.
Alright.
Angle him out, hold him, let him have a breath in your own time.
Okay. It's alright. You'll relax when you've got him, he's alright.
Yeah.
It's fine. Steady on, I'm going to shoot down.
Who's that? He's only come at me. I'm going to pop his head up now, get a random little shot.
Release that. Super.
Right, mate.
Textbook, that one.
Yeah.
Lovely. It's nice when it goes like that. Obviously, Dan's earlier was pretty much the opposite to that. That's Dan.
Silhouetted there.
Oh yeah, I got Siamese, you know. Pellet waggler.
Oh shit, cage is going miles up.
I'll get it. Try and get the mount, get it nice and low, get the mounting in.
This one?
First Siamese, isn't it?
First Siamese.
Yeah, we haven't had nothing on the bottom.
No.
Up in the water on the pellet waggler. Dan was feeding. and fish about, I don't know, he might go 28, 30 pounds.
Yeah, nice. Good fight though, wasn't it?
Oh, cracking fun on the Curator rod. Yeah, lovely, isn't he? We'll just let her go, there's no point having a focus. Lovely, super. Oh, lovely little double that, wasn't it?
So, mate.
Probably getting to that time in the afternoon, aren't we? The old 3 o'clock.
Sun's starting to drop a little bit.
And they'll switch on.
Yes. Just going to check the board, what we've had so far today. Here we go. Arapaima, 165. Red tail, red tail, red tail, red tail, carp. John's just had Siamese carp, about £30. And he's had an Arapaima 120. 165 for me. 120.
So,
nice. Nice.
Yeah, I've had more species.
Yeah. Okay.
Dansak's turn on the pellet waggler. I was feeding for him. Float's gone. He's in. Bosh. Back in a minute. Fish was under the rod. Fish was under the rod, but it's nipped off again now.
No ideas.
I turned the camera on thinking it was in, and he woke up. Nice fish. Nice fish. Well done, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Nice one. There's James.
Nice one.
James Joseph. There he is. There he goes. Little bugger.
Mate.
Yeah, he's got that rugby woke.
Awesome, man.
Brilliant. Beauty.
Nice. About £40?
Yeah, at least, mate. Yeah. That'll do. Yeah, I got a couple. Bye, you prick.
Nice one. Just hooked up again on the pellet waggler.
Just got Tom with us. We're trying to boil these now up in the water, and Dan was feeding them. And this one is huge.
Nice one.
Oh, shit, sorry.
It's a nice fish here on a pellet waggler.
Pellet waggler PB. I think the guy said 120. It's about 60, 65 pound. That was nice. They're getting bigger. I had a little one, about 20, 25, 25, 30. Down at 145. Now this baby. Lovely. Oh, tell you what, he's thick. Nice fish.
That's lovely, mate. That's awesome fish. That's superb. Absolutely first class.
Lovely.
Nice one, buddy.
Oh, we're all taking it in turns on the pellet wagglers. Good fun. Somebody's firing out pellets or boilies, and the other one's fishing. We're just, you know, taking like alternate fish. I've had the biggest. Up to now, but Dan's just hooked a fish that nearly ripped his arm off. He struck and the carp was going the other way, so it was like the invincible force meets the unmovable object. I'll let you be the judge of which one Dan is and which one the fish is.
Awesome, mate.
Dan's got his in the net.
Oh, he fell off the ledge then.
Into a red tail.
So a red tail.
Double
Nice.
photo, maybe.
Yeah. Awesome. Difficult to see because of the bright sunshine, but Harvey's got an alligator gar.
On the pop up of the boilie, sure he's fine, wasn't
Yeah. Decent one, big one as well, isn't it? Oh, that knocked your thing off there, look. That knocked your bait one off there.
Lovely, thank you. That puts me in the lead. We were just counting out. I think
Oh,
me and
well.
Dan have had one of each and pissing it now. Strange bite,
Well,
wasn't it?
actually, fish. Actually,
That's a big girl. That.
gar that, yeah. Gar. Careful, mate. Fucking hell. We're live. There you go, mate. It's difficult to get an angle on that because the sun. He's got a big gar in there. I don't know how big it is, but
Fish is well over 50 pounds.
yeah.
We just ordered our first one. It's at about 5 o'clock, and it came with a gar. The pirate fish. He's lively.
And that was on a pellet in a boilie.
See the width of him?
Yeah. He's big. He's a big bugger, isn't he? Look at that. The head on that. Whoa! I don't know.
You could see that taking his
Yeah,
legs
I
off.
thought he was going to have my ankles
I
in.
thought it was going to be a scene out of Jaws where Quint got his legs chopped off by Jaws.
Yeah. Exactly.
Lovely. Nice guy, 50, 60 pound. Might have been the one that Dansak had over in number 12 the first time we came, or second time we came.
Yeah. Nice fish. Lovely condition, isn't he?
There's some there that would be better against that
Yeah,
light.
okay.
It just looks like
It's all right if we
lifting
go
up
over
a
there?
white sheet. Yeah, go in, yeah.
Yeah, just it won't affect our credit rods.
It's just proper washed out. Hiding behind the cage.
He looks to you a bit like They do this, and then all of a sudden they just go quiet, don't they?
Yep.
Lovely fish
John
out.
Cage down a come back.
Oh, cool. Alright.
Not bad. Yeah. To bring that tail round a bit. Okay, do you tail mark on down. Right, get him up now when you're good.
Oh, I've got something on the lens, man.
Up its head higher. Keep coming up, still it.
Lovely. Nice. I'll take it still on there.
End of day one, Jurassic. The sunset Dansak, look at that. Pack up at dusk here. Caught us by surprise a little bit. And we've had a lovely day. We've been in swim one and we've shared 3 red tails each.
Silhouette.
We've shared 4 Siamese each, and 2 Siamese each, and we shared an Arapaima each, and I had a nice gar towards the end to probably win it, which probably cost you £500.
No.
Fair enough, but it's been a cracking day. Day one's done. We've got day 2 tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be out of bed for the draw tomorrow. Debatable, questionable, probably not, probably and possibly. Dansak?
I won't be.
Fair enough, he's honest. But it's been a cracking first day. We've just met Gary in swim 2. He had a slow day and then had a couple of fish towards the end. We think Graham Wall was in 7 and he had a nice £90 Siamese and 3 other Siamese. Just seen Warren walking back. We believe he had some nice fish.
I think he had about £90, didn't he?
And his boy, eh?
I think Warren had a 90, didn't he?
Yeah, that's what we got to find out in a minute.
Nice.
It sounded like it,
Yeah.
but we're not sure if Graham had it.
You right?
I need a wee. But it's been a cracking first day.
Yeah.
And honestly, just take advantage of the expat package if you're in Thailand at the moment. If you're not and you're coming soon, get yourself to Jurassic.
Yeah, awesome place.
It's been lovely.
Lovely day today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Steady. It's been steady, isn't it? We haven't gone mental, but we had bites all day, really, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it's been nice. Yeah.
If you like the video, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And Tightline vibes.
Yeah. We'll see you in the bar afterwards. Cheers. Bye. Trolley's loaded. A bit loaded myself.
Yeah.
Laden.
Bit of absolute radio.
Yeah.
And on our way back to have a couple of beers. Bit of food, starving. Dan will be hungry.
I'm hungry.
Big time. Oh yeah. Looks like it.
Nice Friday.
Yeah.